giggles and grapes.
Hi, welcome back, juniors. Let's find the missing pieces of the puzzle in the forest. Look, a butterfly. They found the first piece of the puzzle. Did you know? Butterflies taste with their feet. That is a giraffe. It has a long neck. Is that a piece of puzzle? Yes, it is. Yay! Did you know? Every giraffe has their own spots pattern, which is different from the others, just like our fingerprints. Oh no! A piece of puzzle is stuck in the web. That's a spider. I think it is helping us. Yes, it is. Yay! Did you know? Spiders have blue blood, literally. That piece of puzzle is floating on the water. Wow! A dolphin. The dolphin is helping us. Thank you, dolphin. Just a few more pieces. Did you know? Dolphins have two stomachs, one for storing the food and other for digesting it. Look. One more piece of puzzle. That is a hedgehog. Look at those spikes, yikes. Seems like the hedgehog is helping us. Thank you, hedgehog. Did you know? Hedgehogs are lactose intolerant, that means you can never feed it milk. I think there is a big blue bird flying towards us. Look, there is one more piece. What sharp claws, the bird has our puzzle piece. There it is, thank you, bird. Did you know? Birds have hollow bones, which makes them lightweight and easy to fly. Here comes a kangaroo. The kangaroo is keeping the puzzle piece in its pocket. Thank you, kangaroo. Did you know? Kangaroos cannot hop backwards, which means they can move forward, never backwards. Our puzzle is still missing many pieces. Wow, there is a crab. Thank you for helping us. Come on, let's find more. Did you know? Crab may lose a claw or leg in a fight. In time, the claw or leg grows back. Another piece. That is an elephant. Elephants are heavy animals. I hope it does not crush the puzzle piece. Look, a baby elephant. It is called a calf. Thank you, elephant. Did you know? Elephants have created their very own sunscreen. After a river or swamp bath, they'll throw mud and sand up and over themselves to protect their skin from the hot, burning sun. Clever. Ants. Everywhere. There goes our missing piece. There it is. Thank you, ant. Did you know? Ants can be found on every single continent except Antarctica. Ironic, really, when you consider the name. I feel there is something near the puzzle piece. Oh. It's a chameleon. Chameleons change colors according to their mood. Last piece to go. These animals are so kind to help. Did you know? Chameleons have eyes in the backs of their heads. Well, not literally, but they can move their eyes separately, with each eye having a field of 180 degrees. This means they can see 360 degrees if they need to. There is our last piece of the puzzle. Who is that animal? It's a raccoon. Yay! The puzzle is done. Did you know? A raccoon will rinse its food in water prior to eating it. When there is no water close by, a raccoon will still rub its food to remove debris. That's it for today, kids. It was fun with all these animals. Until next time. Bye!
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.